Good enough.
So,
Is that your new Polar Star?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, there we go.
You can tell your first time user.
First time, dude. I've been playing for 7 years.
I mean, you just got the gun, right?
No, I've had this for like 2 months.
Oh. Yeah, it's still new.
Put a red nozzle on it.
Nice.
Put shims on it.
This works. Don't have to have the best gun. Just has to work.
You don't know how true that statement is once you get a Polar Star.
Too expensive.
Yeah, it's just a pain to deal with sometimes.
AEG's forever. Got some high caps, dude. Should get a lanyard for my gun. But nope. Too lazy.
you getting the range you want?
Kind of. It's all over the place, kind of.
Well,
I think it's still wobbly.
I don't even have to adjust the ACOG.
On my way back, we're gonna go back here, and I'm gonna get him to put in like a flat hop or something. I think with a 5-flat bucking, or maybe a Lone X, probably Lone X, since that's what he recommends, I suppose.
If you see anybody that's not wearing pink tape,
okay.
they're wearing orange tape, shoot them. If you don't know them, shoot them.
Orange tape completely caught us off guard last round. I was opening them, like, they came completely unexposed.
Hey, listen, before we run off, if you don't know who somebody is,
Shoot him.
yell out muffin, and their response will be top. So, muffin,
Top.
muffin,
Stop.
muffin.
Top.
Good.
Top.
Go.
Got it.
Are we saying
Oh, hey, you got more reinforcements. All right, hit that building.
The challenge
This one will
is
move.
I
top.
think our team will be in the warehouse.
Alright, hey, I'm going with you, big dog. Right, Shield?
Start moving it.
Did you say building? I'm following you.
I'm going with... my only job is deployable cover for the man with the gun.
This one to our right. Once we get that bomb planted, we'll move on. Hey, Derek, get on my ass. I'm moving.
Hey, you alright, Private Thompson? I have dog and his name was Blue. Left, right, left. 1, 2, 3. Whatever.
Derek, get that bomb planted.
Go.
What?
Move up.
Where at, Chad?
That building I told you.
Oh, all the way that way.
We got plant first bomb at. Derek's getting it right now.
Contact.
Alright, everybody get back up on me.
I'm moving up. Move up. Spread out. Come on, somebody catch up.
That's one down.
Can we move up?
Up there behind the boat.
Hey, someone come behind me. You can go take the house up there. Never mind, I got it.
Alright, get moving up.
A shit ton behind the boat.
I can move up. I got a frag if you guys need it.
What do I do with this laptop?
It's in the embassy.
Two down.
What do I do with this laptop?
You found the laptop?
Yeah.
Holy fuck. Bring that back up. Bring it back up to the spawn and come back down.
Alright, hey, call me. Come back up to the spawn. Come on.
Alright, I'm gonna advance up
Get
to the
that back
house.
up there and bring it.
Advancing. I don't see anything.
Stop 3, move over that way by the white truck.
You want me to go get the front of the truck?
You don't want to get near it, white truck. You want to move forward, we can.
Alright. Moving up! What? We got contact from over here.
Move up.
I can't see, just tell me where to go.
That's why I'm doing it. Move forward. Clear up to here.
Contact.
Coming on the left side.
Adjusting shield.
Nah, that's
I think I got hit.
Alright. Alright. Here, take my gun.
Oh,
Contact!
where?
White building.
having some jam problems here. Let me try to switch mags. Borrowed his gun because my battery's dead.
Are they in the warehouse?
Yeah, I think so.
Contact. Where are they at? Call out!
We'll move forward, go ahead, but watch. Get up to that tire, don't stand below it. That back tire, you see it? They're shooting under the truck. There you go.
Yeah, I got it.
It ain't over there. Came from under the truck. The fire did.
Okay. I'm gonna move up to the edge of the truck.
I'm right with you. I finally got it.
Alright, are you good?
You give me 1 second to wind up. We'll go. All right.
Deploying around the edge. Ah, hit! Ah! Hit! Here, yeah, leg. Here.
Stack it right here and go.
Hold on, hit him, grab magazine.
God dang, I got hit in the leg pretty good.
Put down there.
Hit. Ow. Sniper got me in the leg. Hey, contact behind you over there. The guy over there. Right there, right there, right there. Is that friendly? There's like 2, 3 of them over. Walk all the way back up there.
What? What?
Top. That's the counter sign.
Oh.
They shout muffin, we yell
I
top.
couldn't hear him. I thought you said Thompson.
No, I said top. Yeah, that riot gear was freaking effective.
What?
That riot gear was pretty effective moving up.
Yeah.
Ow. I'll go with you if you want. Let's go. Gotta love mid caps. So freaking quiet. He's hit. Top. We might have contact over by the Vietnam village.
Nothing to the rear.
Tops. Auto. Turning on scope. What? Wonder why.
I think they're racist.
Oh, that too. Got the back. Hang on. I got a bunch of smokes on me.
Right now we just heard screw around. I thought we gotta breach the building too. We had to find the laptop.
We
It
did.
wasn't in the building. We're just fucking around right now.
We ordered one. So how do you want to do this?
Somebody that's not got the giant gun is gonna have to clear that corner.
I got this. Thompson,
What do you want?
you want to clear the corner?
Corner?
I got some hand grenades. I got 2 hand grenades and I got like 6 or 7 smokes on me. Back, go. Hey. 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 Combat in the warehouse.
Basically rushing 3 and dropping everybody else back, or rushing 4 and dropping them back, and there's nobody to get hurt up.
They'll put it down at the 46-yard line is where they said he went out of bounds. First and 10, Tennessee. 2 timeouts for the Vols. 48 seconds to go, second quarter.
You got him. Go, go. Got your covered. Go. Go. We have.
Hey, watch the kid at the road.
What road?
That rode the gate. Woods team, move up!
Oh, hell no.
That's right, back off.
Alright. You watch that door?
Woods,
move up!
I'm gonna throw a frag in. Hang on, they're about to rush me.
Friendly, watch out!
I got it. Oh.
Throwing a smoke in. Why not? They're not happy.
Bang, bang.
You're dead.
You're dead.
That's right. I'm dead. Hey, you let someone snake up on me. That was awesome. They're like, oh crap, smoke! They're like, evacuate, run!
Get up here. There's not much I can do with this PKM up here.
Dead. Dead man, coming through. Woo! Thunder Bee forever. Ooh, stop smoking. Not the heck, we'll go this way. Ow! Hey, friendly! Ow! Hey, I'm freaking dead! Dead! Ow! What color are you guys? I'm pink, you idiots! Ow, I just got caught through thorns. Some guy came up and banged me in the warehouse. Ugh. Top. Oh my gosh, you guys should yell that louder. There's a crap ton of them in the warehouse guarding the back door. You guys want some help? I'm dead. You guys want some smokes? Anyone got a lighter?
I do. My bag. Does anybody have a bag they can carry the C4 in? Hold it.
I have a pocket.
Here, Devin, get this.
Here.
Well, I don't know.
Just put this in your front pocket. Dead man coming through. Dead man. Don't shoot. Muffin. All right. Got ammo?
No.
Oh, I thought you were the guy with the PKM.
Some dumbass came up behind me and
Banged you.
full auto.
In the warehouse?
Yeah. I'm gonna go kill him.
Want some help?
Yeah.
Gang of the foot forever. Muffin!
Yeah, they're friendly. They're respawning.
The spawn's way back up there.
I think they're pulling one of my old tricks.
Waited, no, just wait a long time.
Yeah. To compensate for the walking.
You guys just waiting.
Yeah, wait for you to get back. So I can respawn.
Okay. We're good, let's go.
So, like I said, guys, just screw around, have fun, mess up the other teams best you can, because we've already won.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna go full auto on that kid.
Go for it.
Alright, Zach. Let's go. I had a dog and his name was Blue. He was a whole lot uglier than you. Left, right, what for the hole? That's for the army, that way you go. I had a dog and his name was Blue. He was a whole lot uglier than you. Why do I think they like my singing? How freaking rude. Hey. You want the right heel? You want it?
I'm out.
Be right back. Let me see. Yeah, good place as any. Take a rest. Keep getting hit in the leg.
I got like peppered in the back by some guy in the building.
You
No, it happens to everybody.
want to sneak it back? Throw a frag in there. I'm gonna pull the pin. I'll be like, sayonara, suckers. Take off my.
Thanks, calling our hits.
Yeah, they are.
Hey guys. So none of them are calling their hits at all.
I shot one guy.
The
He
embassy
just
they
turned
were.
around. No, the guy in the garage. I watched him like jump.
Oh yeah.
Like, my just hit him. He was like, oh, fuck, and ran back.
All day, man. All freaking day.
He was the same guy who came back and shot me in the back.
Because me and him, we just completely stopped the flank.
Them
They just
guys
kept
they ran to the embassy, and they were just,
Okay,
they
I think
were
we're
just
good.
standing out in the open.
Hang on. Give me a second, get my gloves on. You're right. Your support will come up.
Did we not get the thing planted on the door?
It doesn't matter. We got the laptop. We won.
Yeah,
Oh, really?
Yeah, we're just messing around right now.
yeah, I got the laptop.
Cool.
All right. Yo, little kid, you want to take this?
Oh, hey.
I can't really say it.
John, crank up my PSI.
Can I use this?
Yes, you can.
Alright, this is going to be fun.
Crank up my PSI.
Alright guys, everyone behind me, we're charging into the indoor and we're...
Crank my
You can't use
PSI.
that gun in the indoor. You do realize that,
Just
right?
so
There you can.
20.
Oh, there's some my own.
Noise.
That's my video.
What channel you guys on?
I think we're on two. I'm not sure.
Oh, nope, this is
What's it at, John?
120.
Alright. Oh, what? Oh, dude, you serious?
What?
Guys, all of you behind me, we're just charging indoor.
I'm gonna have a frag grenade ready. Give me a second.
Hey,
I got a decoy frag.
Chandler, don't be
I picked up one.
Come on.
This is why I bought a red knob.
Okay, I'm not going to be very useful.
Alright, hey.
Ready?
Hang on.
Guys, come on.
What the heck? I'll throw it in my pouch.
Ready? We're just charging the. Ready?
He's on our team.
That guy's
He's
coming
hit.
too.
He's on our team.
You guys ready?
Yeah, they're in him.
Remember to hit the dirt when you hear. Go.
Call me right. Call me here.
I know I hit you. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were, you're not hit. I hit you. I thought you were an enemy combatant. So sorry, man. All right. Moving. Ow. Ah. Piece of shit. Ow.
I saw a guy pop out there.
Hey, hey. Hang on, I'm gonna throw smoke. Or frag. Hang on. Oh, by the way, bang, bang.
Okay, that's cheating.
How was that
Can't
cheating?
come across calling your hit.
I didn't call my hit. I just said,
I
hey.
bang banged you earlier, so they're all live. So, go respawn. You're dead.
Boosh.
Sorry.
So that didn't count?
No. Go up!
Out. Muffin tops coming through. Uh-huh. Walked right up to him. Do a frag. Kinda awesome. What? Back at the base. Or, not on me. Hey, someone left their gun here.
Hey, let me know if you see a kit for a pistol. Gas pistol.
Same here. I lost one. Single stack. No, 1911. Actually, I need to reload. Goodness. Hit.
You know what this is? Right on the ground up there?
Mm-mm.
Oh,
Where are they coming from?
Joe.
Oh, I see them. They're over, yeah, the orange is over there, across the field. What the heck? Hey, Zach. Is there anyone in the warehouse? All right, move over.
David, come on.
Don't want to smoke.
Yeah, I got one in my pocket.
Red, white, and blue. Blue for the mare. Blue for the bruh. The blue.
I ran around the corner.
Hit, hit.
Where?
We have a speed loader over there. Watching it like.
Back up, move, move. Dang it. Throwing smokes.
Which one of you has a handgun?
I don't know if that's mine.
Where at?
Right there.
Oh, hit! Hit!
You get hit?
Yeah. Back door, guys. Hit! Yep.
Marcus!
Oh yeah, you dropped it, dude. Thanks.
Hey, Marcus! Say that Dave too easy.